In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit one of your Canva presentation slides as a video. So maybe you want to change some things, maybe you want to move things around during that slide without actually adding additional slides to simulate this. So we can do that using this feature. So make sure you're in this view mode, and if you're not, just click on this bottom right button saying pages. If you're here, then make sure you're in this view mode. Then click on the slide that you want to edit as a video. Click on the three dots and then click on edit as video. And now, if you expand this timeline a little bit, just hover over here and then make it a little bigger. So now you'll be able to see all the elements that are in this presentation. If you hover over one, it will be highlighted within the slide to show you which element it is. So maybe you wanted the text for this to be a little longer. You can expand it a little bit, just like that, and then maybe expand the slide along with it as well to match it. And maybe the text over here for Nomad, but I'm gonna keep that the same. I'm gonna maybe do the same thing for this, and it's gonna align. And I'm gonna just keep the same thing for everything else. And now you can just safely exit the video. And now when you click on this slide, you'll see this play button. This will play the whole presentation, including the edits that you made for this as a video. But if you click on the other slide, you will not be able to see this play button because this is just going to be a regular slideshow from here. So just click on this first one and then click on this play button. And now you'll see all the video edits you made. So maybe everything will disappear except these two, just like I did, and now everything else will be the same. So this is going to go through the slides at every 5 seconds, as you can see. And yeah, that's how you can edit one of your Canva presentation slides as a video, and you can do the same thing for everything else as well. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.